Hello everybody and welcome back, and in this one we will be talking about how to turn off ask permission on App Store. So for this particular reason we simply need to head over to our settings, and from there we need to scroll a little bit down until we can see this Face ID and passcode. Just simply enter your passcode, and here you can see we have this option of iTunes and App Store. So make sure that this is turned on so it automatically fills the password for you. And the second thing what we need to do is simply scroll a little bit up, and here you can see we have this option of screen time. Okay, so here you need to scroll down and you have this option of content and privacy restrictions. Head over to that, and in here make sure that this is enabled and head over to iTunes and App Store purchases. Once you do, you need to set it to don't require, so it do not ask you for the permission on App Store. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much.